Today's Zoom session is being brought to you by the Fractal Inverse Bullseye Horizon and a vaccinated Big Bird. We proceed. Today, parabolas and ellipses. A parabola, okay, there's a geometric definition and an analytic geometry definition. The geometric definition is there's a point called the focus and a line L called the directrix, and every point P on the parabola is same distance to F as it is perpendicular distance to L. So PF is the same distance to PL. So for example, this lowest point, the vertex, is halfway between the focus and the directrix. And it goes like this. This maybe is not an accurate thing because this looks shorter than that, but whatever. Okay, now the equation for a parabola will be like this: y equals 1 over 4px squared, and p is at the focus is at 0 by p. The vertex is here 0 by 0, and this line is the line y equals negative p. So like this. This is if p is positive, it's cup up. If p is negative, it's cup down. Still vertex at 0, 0, but the focus is below and the directrix is up. All right, now here, if it's x equals 1 over py squared, it opens to the left or to the right. Same deal, however, pretty much. Vertex at 0, 0, focus at p by 0, and here it's x equals negative p. Here we have p negative, so it opens to the left, 0 by a negative p, x equals, equals a positive constant. Here, p positive opens to the right, here's 0, 0, p by 0, x equals negative p. So for example, x squared equals negative 6y. So we write that as y equals minus 1 over negative 6x squared. That's 1 over 4 times negative 3 halves x squared. So p is negative 3 halves. The vertex is 0, 0. Because it's the y equals something x squared, it opens up or down. Because it's negative, it opens down. So focus is at 0 by negative 3 halves, and the directrix is y equals positive 3 halves. You have y squared equals negative 24x. Like here we solve for x, and it'll open left or right. X equals 1 over negative 24y squared, so it's 1 over 4 times negative 6y squared. So this negative 6 is the value p. Vertex at 0, 0, focus is negative 6 by 0, directrix is x equals 6, and it looks like this. But I do suspect that I made this too narrow. It really should be more like wider like that, but whatever. Now here we have a vertex and a focus, and we need to find the equation. 0 by negative a half, so it's and the focus is 0, 0, of course, and the vertex 0, 0, focus below it, so it's opening downwards. So y equals something x squared. Y equals 1 over 4px squared. In this case, p equals negative a half. You plug it in, you get this: y equals negative 1/2 x squared. Now here we have a graph. The vertex is at 0 by 0. We go up to a focus, go left and right 3 halves. Now, all right, since it's opening horizontally, that means its x is 1 over 4py squared. Now, here we have this point A is at p by 3 halves. So if you plug it into the equation, p equals 1 over 4p times 3 halves squared. 4p squared equals 9/4. P squared equals 9/16. P equals plus or minus root 9 over 16, or plus or minus 3/4. Now it opens left, so p is negative. P is negative 3/4. So put it together. X equals 1 over 4 p y squared. 1 over 4 times negative 3/4. These cancel, leaving a minus 1/3. X equals minus 1/3 y squared. This is the equation for this graph.